Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a big and important story in the United States. Donald Trump says he has already chosen a person to replace Jerome Powell as the next Federal Reserve Chair. This news is huge because the Federal Reserve, also called the Fed, controls interest rates, inflation, and many important parts of the US economy. When the Fed chair changes, the whole stock market pays attention. What this news mean? Why the market cares? How different stocks could react? What investors should watch next? Let's get started. What exactly did Trump say? Trump said that he has already chosen a person to replace the current Fed chair, Jerome Powell, if he becomes president again. He did not say the name, but he made it clear that he wants someone who agrees with his ideas about lower interest rates, faster economic growth, more money supply. This means Trump wants a Fed that is more supportive of lower borrowing costs. Why this news is important? The Fed chair is one of the most powerful people in the world economy. They control interest rates, money flow, how expensive it is to borrow, how much inflation rises or falls. A new chair could change the direction of US mandatory monetary policy. This is why the market reacted quickly to this news. What this means for the stock market? This kind of news can move the market because traders think, will interest rates go down sooner? Will the new Fed chair be more friendly to the stock market? Will inflation changes? These kinds of questions create big reactions. Here's how different sectors might respond. Tech stocks. Tech stocks love low interest rates because it makes growth cheaper. If investors think the new Fed chair will cut rates, tech stocks might go up. Banking stocks. Banks might feel more pressure or some pressure because lower interest rates can reduce bank profit margins. But if the economy grows faster, bank stocks can still do well. Real estate. A lower rate environment is very good for real estate stocks and home builders because mortgages become cheaper. Gold. If investors expect more money printing, gold can rise as protection assets. What this means for Jerome Powell? Powell's term ends in 2026, but Trump is making it clear he does not want Powell to stay. Markets know this. This means future Fed decisions may feel temporary. Investors may expect policy changes after the next election. Markets may become more uncertain. This is why stocks react strongly to any Fed-related news. What kind of Fed chair might Trump choose? Based on his comments, Trump might pick someone who wants lower rates, thinks inflation is under control, wants a weaker dollar to help exports, supports fast economic growth, is more political than Powell. This is very different from Powell, who prefers higher rates to fight inflation, a strong dollar, slow careful changes. A Trump-appointed chair could push for rate cuts earlier. How investors are reacting right now. Here is what traders are thinking. Will rates fall faster? If yes, that's good for stocks. Will inflation rise again? This could scare more investors. Will the Fed become more political? This could cause market swings. So, the news creates both hope and fear at the same time. What investors should watch next? Here are the key things to pay attention to. Who is Trump's pick? Names like Calvin Wash or Judy Shelton may appear in the news. Market reaction. Interest rates futures will move first. Fed speeches. Powell may respond it in some other ways. Inflation data. If inflation stays low, market may expect rate cuts sooner. Well, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe.